Welcome to Soy Tech Info channel. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing about the formation of phthalic anhydride and based on that how we can prepare phenolphthalein. Then the role of phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a very good acid-base indicator. Particularly, it works well in base. Now, you know a basic aspect about benzoic acid. What is the formula of benzoic acid? Let me explain. The formula of benzoic acid is C6H5COOH. And let me draw the structure of benzoic acid. CO double bond O and then OH. Now, when you have one more acid, that is one more acid molecule, acid functionality, like here, C double bond O, OH, then it is called phthalic acid. You should know that phthalic acid is not stable, so there is a formation of water molecules so that dehydration takes place. So it forms phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride. C double bond O, C double bond O, and then O. This is known as phthalic anhydride. Let me write phthalic. P is silent here. So phthalic anhydride. Anhydride means that is without water. And when we treat this phthalic anhydride with 2 moles of phenol, okay, 2 moles of phenol, C6H5OH, 2 moles of phenol, we are able to get phenolphthalein. So the para hydrogen of phenol is linked with the phthalic anhydride molecule. So this is the phthalic anhydride molecule. Phenolphthalein molecule. Do you understand? And when it is treated with a base, it forms, this is called a benzoinoid form of phenolphthalein. Then you will have the quinonoid form. That is this, when you treat it with the OH minus, you are able to get, there is a removal of H plus, so it becomes O. And the bond will be transferred like this. And this bond becomes like this. Okay. So this is known as the quinonoid form of phthalic anhydride, phenolphthalein. Do you understand this concept? Okay, this is known as the quinonoid form. So when such quinonoid form is formed, you are able to get the pink color. When it is in the benzoinoid form, that is OH, and this will come here, and once again the ionic form will go. Now we are able to get benzoinoid form. In the benzoinoid form, there is no color. Okay, so that is why it takes place in presence of H plus. So in acidic state, that is in acid, when it is treated with acid, the phenolphthalein gives a colorless solution. When I have added, as already discussed, the OH base, then it forms the quinonoid form. When there is a quinonoid form, so there are two forms, benzoinoid form, quinonoid form. So this is known as the quinonoid form. This is known as quinone. So it's called quinonoid form. So when the indicator is in the form of quinonoid, that is quinone-like, then there is a transfer of pi electrons so easily. And that is why that is pink color is formed in the case of what? Quinonoid form. And this is benzenoid form. When it is in the benzenoid form, there is no color. Do you understand? And that is why phenolphthalein is used as acid-base indicator. Particularly, it works well in the range of pH 10 to 12.